friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making Jimmy Dean stuffed hash browns in the air fryer. So these are frozen stuffed hash browns, no need to defrost. Air fryer will cook them straight from frozen. And these instructions work for any flavor. I'm cooking meat lovers potatoes with pork and chicken sausage, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and bacon. Sounds delicious. Now let's take out the air fryer basket, and all we need to do is just take out these stuffed hash browns out of its packaging. So just put the hash brown. You don't need the crisper sleeve. This is for the microwave. Air fryer makes it crispy without any extra sleeves. So you can cook as many as you want, as long as they fit in one layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes. And now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these stuffed hash browns. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I do recommend checking the internal temperature with an instant read thermometer to make sure it's at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit inside. And if it's not 165 or more, then you can always put them back in the air fryer for a few more minutes and let them finish cooking. All air fryers cook differently, so very important to make sure they're cooked through and completely heated inside. These are cooked through. The temperature was over 165, so I'm going to take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good they look. So nicely browned, so crispy. And now I'm going to cut one just to show you what's inside. So the filling is perfectly cooked and the cheese is melted. Looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So delicious. So crispy on the outside and cheesy, gooey, hot, delicious on the inside. Tastes so good. Air fryer is perfect for making stuffed hash browns. They come out so much better and so much crispier than a microwave. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!